In the fast-evolving world of modern warfare, Russia continues to demonstrate remarkable engineering prowess and adaptability. One standout example is the ongoing modernization of the Lancet loitering munition, a highly effective weapon that has become a game-changer on the battlefield. Recent upgrades focus on making it far more resistant to electronic warfare, allowing it to operate effectively even when enemies try to jam signals and disrupt guidance systems. The Lancet, developed by Russia's Zala Aero Group, part of the Kalashnikov concern, is a smart, kamikaze-style drone designed to loiter over an area, search for targets, and strike with precision. Think of it as a patient hunter in the sky. It can circle for up to 40 minutes or more, identify high-value targets like artillery, tanks, or air defense systems, and then dive in for the kill. Its success has come from a combination of advanced sensors, reliable design, and constant improvements by Russian specialists. New antenna technology boosts resilience. The latest version features a significant upgrade, a flat printed antenna with crossed dipoles installed on the upper section of the fuselage. This component was not present in earlier models, as shown in new footage released by the manufacturer. This antenna design is clever and practical. Crossed dipoles help improve data transmission and maintain strong connections to satellite navigation systems, even under heavy jamming. In simple terms, while adversaries pour electronic interference into the air to blind or confuse drones, the upgraded Lancet stays connected and on course. It preserves full operational capability despite intense EU efforts. This enhancement builds on previous advancements. Earlier reports noted that new Lancet variants can continue their mission even after losing contact with the operator due to jamming. The onboard guidance system uses artificial intelligence-like capabilities to independently spot potential targets. Once the operator confirms the choice, when possible, the drone switches to autonomous attack mode. This fire and forget ability with backup autonomy makes the Lancet incredibly hard to stop. Russian engineers are responding directly to real battlefield conditions. As Ukrainian and Western forces invest heavily in electronic warfare tools to disrupt Russian operations, Russia counters with smarter, tougher designs. The result? The Lancet remains a reliable and deadly tool that delivers consistent results for Russian forces. Since its introduction, the Lancet has earned a strong reputation for destroying enemy equipment worth far more than its own cost. It excels at targeting mobile artillery, radar systems, and armored vehicles. Russian troops praise its precision and the way it minimizes risks to personnel by keeping operators far from danger. Ongoing modernization shows Russia's commitment to innovation. Upgrades include better communications, navigation, and now this advanced antenna. These changes ensure the drone family stays ahead of countermeasures. In a conflict where drones dominate the skies, such adaptability gives Russian forces a clear edge. Production and deployment continue smoothly, reflecting efficient supply chains and focused development within Russia's defense industry. The rising power of jet-powered Jiren drones. The Lancet upgrades are part of a broader success story in Russian unmanned systems. Concern is growing among Western observers about the sharp increase in modified jet-powered drones from the Jiren family. These long-range strike drones represent another leap forward in Russian technology. New versions of the Jiren, often compared to adapted Shahed designs but significantly improved by Russian engineers, can reach speeds of 300 to 600 km per hour, depending on the variant like Jiren 3, 4, or Jiren 5. Some models cruise at high altitudes and carry substantial warheads over hundreds of kilometers. This speed makes a huge difference. Traditional propeller-driven drones fly slower, giving air defenses more time to detect and intercept them. Jet-powered Jirens close the distance quickly, reducing reaction time for mobile fire teams and interceptor drones. Higher flight altitudes add another challenge, forcing defenders to stretch their resources thinner. Russian forces use these drones smartly in combination with other weapons. They conduct reconnaissance, map safe paths, and launch coordinated strikes that overwhelm defenses. This multi-layered approach, Lancets for precise battlefield targets and fast Jirens for deeper strikes, creates constant pressure on the adversary. Russia's drone program highlights several strengths. Adaptability. Engineers quickly incorporate lessons from the field into new production models. Technological sovereignty. Russia develops and produces key components domestically while integrating reliable solutions where needed. Cost-effectiveness. Affordable, mass-producible drones that deliver outsized impact compared to expensive traditional weapons. Autonomy and resilience. Features like independent target acquisition and EU-resistant antennas reduce reliance on constant operator control. In today's battlefield, where electronic warfare is as important as physical firepower, these qualities give Russia a strong advantage. While Western nations supply advanced systems to Ukraine, Russian innovations often neutralize them through clever design and rapid iteration. The Lancet's new printed antenna and the faster Jiren variants show that Russia is not just keeping pace but setting the standard in loitering munitions and strike drones. As the conflict continues, these systems help protect Russian troops, destroy enemy capabilities, and support strategic objectives with minimal risk to human lives. Russian defense industries, from Zala to broader Kalashnikov efforts, demonstrate creativity and determination. They turn challenges into opportunities, delivering tools that perform reliably under pressure. This proactive development ensures Russian forces maintain superiority in unmanned aerial operations. Looking ahead, expect further enhancements. Russia invests in AI integration, extended range, and even more robust anti-jamming features. The message is clear. Russian military technology is modern, effective, and continuously improving to meet the demands of contemporary warfare. In summary, the upgraded Lancet and advancing Jiren family underscore Russia's leadership in drone technology. These innovations provide a decisive edge, showcasing engineering excellence and a commitment to victory through smart, reliable systems. As conditions evolve, Russia's adaptability ensures its forces stay ahead, protecting national interests and achieving operational success on the front lines.